welcome back to my channel, guys. This is your girl May Vanessa. Today I am making some fried plantains along with fried fish, cassava fish to be precise. So I'm using garlic powder and then some adobo seasoning and also this chicken flavor seasoning, and of course I'm gonna go ahead and use some parsley. So that's it. If you know me, you know that I don't use too much seasoning, so this is just about it. And I also do not cook with salt. So I'm going ahead and kind of put the fish in the frying pan, and it's frying up. It's flipping around so that the other side gets to fry good enough. It's pretty much done, and I'm getting ready to take it out. Guys, for some reason it didn't want to come out, but this is it. And now I'm going ahead and cutting out my bananas.
But I don't want to run away from
I love to eat plantains. I will eat it for a snack, I will eat it for breakfast, I will eat it for dinner. Anytime I get some plantain cravings, I am eating it. So I just figured, why not show you guys one of my routine.
When the world is asleep, the weekend meet a secret life that we share with the stars and the moonlight. When the morning comes with a brand new day, then we have to pretend we don't know each other.
And just about done, and then start frying them up.
But I don't wanna run.
So the oil is very hot, so I want it to kind of be like this, medium brown. So this is how I like mine to be, and then I'm just taking it out.
Run away with me,
Trying to get every last bit
'cause you
of it.
can't control who you
And this is how it turned out. Pour some eggs, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend some peppers. I got some habanero peppers, green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, mix up, add a little bit of water, and then bring it to a blend. I kept some of the bell peppers and onions on the side, and I'm just gonna fry it up a little bit like this before adding in my blended bell peppers.
who you fall for.
If you saw there, my eggs are still boiling up on the side, and I only use one cube, which is the onga cube. You can use any kind of cube you want. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to tune in next time.